What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Well, today we're going to be looking at this Porsche 993 that spent 4.5 years in the river before it has been fully restored. Now, I seen this on Instagram while I was scrolling, and I thought this was pretty cool to share and all that. Now, this was in Tuscany, Italy. This is the cart. Well, I would say cart department. But anyway, let's read through this thing before we look at the pictures and all that. So in 2014, during a severe storm in Tuscany, a Porsche 993 Carrera was swept off the road by flash flooding and dragging into a fast-moving Vicenzo River. The driver, the car's fourth owner, was inside at the time but escaped unharmed. Good thing he came out alive and all that. The car itself vanished beneath the surface, buried in cold, silty water for nearly 5 years. Designated for scrap, the car was rescued by Paulo, who saw potential for a track-focused rebuild. Okay. Over 5 intense years working with a specialist workshop, Auto Carrozzeria Capaci, the team disassembled the corroded shell and uncovered rare components like the short ratio G50 gearbox. They rebuilt it from ground up with RSR inspired reinforcements and a fully seamed weld chassis and a mix of modern performance upgrades, all while preserving the original elements like the fuel tank. I'm surprised he kept the full fuel tank after it been in the water for that period of time. After countless challenges for clearing out the mud cake, electric seats to revving the engine, the 993 finally returned to the road on July 25th, 2023. All right, so this is like 2 years or so old ago. But this post was about a week. And I be on Instagram, but I don't be on Instagram like that. Like if I go, I either post or just scroll a little bit and all that. But anyway, let's look through these pictures right here. So it's crazy that this car was like in the river for that amount of years, like 4.5 years. Good thing the owner was alive and all that, because normally you can't make it out. A car, especially if it got swept out of water and you like submerged and all that. Be a pain. But anyway, let's look at these pictures. Okay, so this is the top side, how it came. Man, that looks so impossible to rebuild. Like, really impossible. But hey, anything is possible. Wow. The yellow I like down here. But man, look at that. I am so intrigued. We got another look at the back end. Oh man, I bet rocks and all that was hitting up against it. Look at all that mud that it was caked up in. Like, man, could you imagine? It's possible though. Oh, look at all that mud. Ooh, the body panel. Man, when I see these pictures, I'm like, oh my goodness. Like like restoring something like this, oh my gosh, yes, it would take time. Yes, it would be very intense. But man, look, this thing was caked up with mud. Look at it, y'all. Damn. Got another one. Top, bottom. Wow. Wow. And you got the scoop too. I ain't gonna lie, I would have been glad scooping that, dirt out that car. I would have been glad scooping that out. Like, you know how much time, effort you gotta put into that? Like, oh my goodness. And you got the engine on the ground right here that they had took out. Wow. Got the gearbox right here, engine block right here. Got some exhaust parts right here, some suspension parts right here. I believe this is the fuel tank. They gotta be the fuel tank. Yeah, that's the fuel tank up front. Gotta be. Man, what's so intriguing about these Porsches? I like how they got the fuel refill up front. I think it's really pretty cool. Okay. Got some new lines. I'm guaranteed these. You got to be AC lines. Might be radiator lines. They AC though. I'm pretty sure they got like upgraded kits. You know how you can convert like the refrigerant and all that. I'm pretty sure all this is like, I don't know. You know how they had them AC kits. This might be like the radiator. These lines right here. They look pretty cool how they run. Then we got some slotted brakes, some rotors. Well, yeah, rotors. We got slotted rotors and all that. They look like ceramic, possibly. I'm not sure. But man, looking beautiful. And I know the body work on this car was very intense. That they had to get it to like the T. So I'm pretty sure they took it to somebody who knew about these cars. Man, look at that. Looking beautiful, gauges, everything. It's looking like the car is like getting built at factory once again. Got another look at it. Looking magnificent. Got another look. I wonder if this is the fuel tank, cause I'm confused. I wonder if that's the fuel tank. Might be. But man, look at everything. Got the stick. And mind y'all, this is track focus car. So I would see. I mean, why not do a track focus car? I mean, that'd be pretty cool also. But man, got Recaro seats. I'm pretty sure the Recaro steering wheel gotta be. Got some nice Renland. Is that? I forgot what that brand was right there. Renland. Got some pretty good stuff for Porsches. Wow. Just to go from this to this is amazing. That is just amazing, y'all. But anyway, I want to share that y'all with y'all real quick. Man, it just amazes me. It's crazy how you can just take something and make it out of nothing, like something special. And I'm pretty sure if he had put all the man hours in that, working on that thing, it's going to mean a lot, and he should keep that car forever and all that. But a Porsche 993 is my dream car. I've been looking at them lately and all, and it's so ironic. Every time I'm looking at a car or something, a post or something will come, which is very ironic and crazy. But this is one of my dream Porsches right here. Sure, I got the 944, but I won't be like a clean one. This is gonna be it right here. But anyway, guys, let me know if y'all a 993 fan. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, this is the description right here. I mean, you just basically had a car that got swept away in the flood. It sat over 5.5 years, and somebody decided to get it restored. That's pretty much it. Doing the Lord's work. Yes, cars have soul too. Yes, cars do have soul. Legendary. Legendary, man. This is very dope, man. Anyway, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. If y'all made this far, y'all can subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever. And man, that's going to be pretty much it. See y'all. Peace.